Welcome to E.C.D Auto Design, where power roars to life. At E.C.D, every handcrafted machine begins with the heart of performance, the legendary V8 engine. From the moment you ignite the engine, raw strength, precision engineering surge forward, delivering a sound that commands respect and a drive that conquers every road ahead. Beneath the hood, our high-performance V8 powertrains are paired with robust transmissions, suspension systems and braking technology, crafted to keep you in complete control, whether hugging tight corners or opening up on the freeway. Every bend, every curb is obsessively tuned to perfect the ultimate driving experience. More than transportation, each E.C.D vehicle is a boutique masterpiece, engineered with meticulous detail, unrivaled craftsmanship, and uncompromising dedication to performance. Built to outrun, outlast, and outperform, our vehicles embody the spirit of speed and strength. When you take the wheel, you're not just driving, you're commanding a handcrafted powerhouse, built on the roar of the V8. Step into a world where luxury meets unrelenting performance. At E.C.D Auto Design, every journey becomes a testament to power, precision, and passion.